once the design is manufactured, we cannot control the cost of the design or cost of the product. So we have to control the cost of the product before it is manufactured. So here, the designer find a solution to minimize the cost and the size. So that is, here they have optimized the area on 3 stages. So we call them as functional design stage, synthesis stage and physical design stage. So these 3 stages are used to optimize the area instead of while manufacturing the product, because once the product is manufactured and it is failed, then the cost only need to be bared by the good working devices. So thereby here we will focus on these 3 stages. The first is functional design stage. In the functional design stage of the design flow, we can influence the circuit area through our choice of components, whether explicitly instantiated or implied by RTL model code. Is nothing but here the functionality of the design is implemented directly by taking the standard libraries which are available in the synthesis or RTL model codes. So thereby, we can reduce the area, because we will take one example here. So we know that different forms of adders and multiplexers have a differing circuit complexity, hence the circuit area. So if I choose the adders and multipliers with a different circuit complexity and added into the design based on the requirement and the constraint, so thereby we can reduce the area when it is done using a functionality of the design. The second thing we can do is synthesis stage. In the synthesis stage, we can influence the circuit area by specifying constraints to the synthesis tool. Here the specifying constraints are nothing but how much speed is required, what is the cost and the packaging. So if we concentrate on these 3 things and we influence the synthesis tool based on this, we can also reduce the area. Otherwise, we can direct the tool to use the synthesis strategy that favors minimizing area instead of delay. So nothing but here synthesis provides us the summary, means the netlist information, so which includes the interconnecting wires, the gates and the multiplexers. So here by reducing all these multiplexers or the gates and the interconnecting wires also, so we can reduce the area in the synthesis. The third is physical design stage. Here we can influence the circuit area through the intervention in the floor planning, placement and routing of the circuit also. So here floor planning, placement and routing will be done for the requirement and the constraint of the design. So based on that, if I have done these 3 main points, then we can also reduce the area. So these are the 3 stages where we can reduce the area of the product. So instead of controlling it while it is manufactured as a final end product. So this is about area optimization in the design optimization. If you have any doubts, text me a message. Thank you.